Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign into your Botim account. So this is the login tutorial. So first we're going to go to our Botim app, which you can download from the Play Store or the App Store. As you know, Botim is used for HD encrypted voice and video calls to stay close to those who matter. So we're going to click on Get Started. Then you're going to write your phone number, the phone number you used to log in to your account. So once you're done, you're going to click on Next. So as you can see, we were logged into our Botim account. So this is how you do it. You can download the app anywhere. Then just put in your phone number and it will automatically make you logged in. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.